'cause I don't like you living under your spotlight.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, nice to have you back. So before I get into this video, you probably see this video after my 10 tips for getting through online classes. If you haven't watched that yet, by the way, click the link down below in the description. Yes, so yes, I am in the same clothes and all that because I'm doing it on the same day, because your girl felt a little bit chatty and she just felt like she want to make 2 videos in one day. So yeah, that's what she's doing. Yeah, you know. So as you guys can see in the description box, I can't even talk good. In the title, I'll be telling you guys about one of my most embarrassing moments in high school. Oh God. So, I know a lot of people don't know this, and this is the first they're gonna know, and it's crazy because I'm bringing up my own embarrassing moments here on YouTube. But yeah. So let's do this. So my most embarrassing moment, one of, is it my most? I'm gonna say it's high up there as yeah. But embarrassing moments in high school was grade 7. Yes. So I was in grade 7, just starting high school, and man, a lot happened in grade 7, you know? But anyways, so it all started with a competition that involved singing. Sorry, I had that flashback moment, and man. Anyways, so let me just get into it. So I don't remember what month it was, or so I just remember that it was grade 7, and they were doing this singing competition at school called Deeja, which is Distinguished Intelligent Vocal Artist, right? So I think it was 3 persons from each class were supposed to enter the competition. And I had done this singing competition in my class. Well, there was a singing competition in my class before, and I sang, and I thought I sounded a little bit okay, you know. So one of my friends at the time, they were like, well, they need one more person in this, so you should, you know, try it out and so on. So I don't remember exactly how it went, but I do know that I did try. And I think the class chose 3 persons, but 1 person decided they didn't bother want to do it. So they selected me because I guess I was 4th, something like that. I was 4th place, last place. I don't even remember. But you know, I ended up in a competition. So, God, I'll be inserting some clippings. And don't judge me, please, I beg you. Do not judge me. Don't laugh at me either. I go feel away.
I feel away. I feel away.
Yeah, so careful with the comments them. Don't make me have to turn it off. Don't bash me down there. Careful. Yes. Don't make me cry. Some real crocodile tears. So, so yeah, in the competition now, I don't remember how many people were in there, but I think it was 20 something. And I went in feeling shy, low self-esteem, not confident at all, because when I heard everyone sing, and I was like, y'all are better than me, I just felt terrified. I don't know. But anyways, I think my first song was I Look to You.
I look to you. I look to you. After all my friends is gone, and you have made me strong. I look to you.
So yeah, I sang I Look to You. It was terrible, as you guys just see. Yeah. So they said we should sing our favorite song, and that was my favorite song at the time. And I sang it for, you see, this is the thing now, I must say. Family members and friends, you need to stop lying to people. Yes, on our family, yes, on our friend, but stop deluding on our friends and family members. Like, don't, if a person sound bad, say them sound bad. Or if them not look good in something, say them look good. Don't boost them confidence for everybody else. If you get what I'm trying to say. I tell them no lie, man. So me singing for people now, and they say, yeah, you sound good, this and that, and they say, alright, yeah, that man go sing. Go up on stage, and everybody laugh. Me did shame. Me don't know how me never ball. Me think because me did in public, me never ball. But me stand up there and sing, and me start looking like audience, and everybody a laugh. Like, oh God, me did feel hurt, you know. Like, me not think nobody understand. Me did well hurt. And then after that day, go back down to class now, the next day. You have some girl. Can't say we talk standard English good. You had some girls in another 7th grade who would come down just because they could sing, and everybody knows that they could sing. They would come down to my class and trouble me and go, Dawkins go, and sing how me go. Them say me go. And it's like them never understand, so that it's hurtful. And you know, me understand say you can sing, and I understand that, but that means you're supposed to tear somebody else down and make fun of them because they can't sing. If a person not laugh with you, don't laugh. If a person not laugh with you, you can laugh with them, not at them. But don't laugh if they not laugh with you. That me have to say. But anyways, yeah, so that happened, and then the next week, I think I got, what was it, hip hop? I don't remember, but I got something, another topic, genre. I sang a song. Let me play the footage.
'Cause I don't like you living under your spotlight. Maybe if you treat me right, you don't have to worry. Whoa, I don't like you.
Yeah. So me did sound, and it did bad again because it's like I was trying so hard to sound good and everything. Me did practice so much till my voice did gone. Me did have cold, go up on stage, can't sing good. Voice gone, I have cold, and then me couldn't sing in the beginning. So, you know, so me just sound worse. Worse than how me would have sound before. So then now, after all of that, to my third song and final song, they sound like this.
You follow what you feel inside. It's intuitive, you don't need to try. It comes naturally. It comes naturally. It takes my breath away. What you do so naturally. You are the thunder and I am the lightning.
So yeah, that happened. And you know, people laugh at me again, and I think that's where I got to that point where I've just felt like I cannot sing at all. Even after I have developed my vocals and you know I've gotten better at it, I've still always doubted myself. I've never felt like I was good enough or good at all or not even a fraction good in singing, because I guess from that experience it has degraded as a it just made my confidence drop a ground. Like buried 6 feet under, no resurrection, never look like it will happen. None. So yeah, that happened, and I have this to say. As I said before, family members, if you know that somebody don't sound good or look good or so, tell them. Don't make them have to go out, and strangers or one big public, tell them, because it will hurt more. Now if you just tell them, then take a look at hurt in a private than if you have it hurt in a public, right? And next thing, as me said before, it's my not laugh. With if the person you're laughing at is not laughing with, you don't laugh. Yeah, cause you know you might turn down the confidence, and if you gonna laugh, not laugh in their face. I'm sorry. It may probably sound like that sound hypocritical, but don't laugh in their face, cause that hurt a lot more. Go laugh behind closed doors with them now go ear back or see back. But not laugh in their face, feel it hurt bad. But anyways, so yeah, that happened, and since grade 7, I would like to say I have gotten better at singing. I think I have in grade 13 last year I was I was encouraged, that's the word. I was encouraged to join JCDC festival, singing festival or something, performing arts. So that thing, a competition where it was singing. I was in the choir. I stayed in the choir from grade 7, go straight up to grade 13. And yeah, so it helped me to develop my vocals. It wasn't perfect either way still, but you know, it wasn't as bad as it was before. And in grade 13, I was encouraged to do it because my friend Brittany, she did it in grade 12. She came 3rd. She got a bronze medal. And so she didn't come 3rd, but she got a bronze medal. Yeah. And so I was like, okay, I'm gonna do it for Brittany because I know she wanted to go again and do it. We wanted to do it as a duet, do a song as a duet in grade 13, but she migrated, so it was just me. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna do it for Brittany. And then my friends, they motivated me and encouraged me, say, hey, you can do it, man. So do it. And this time I had a little bit more faith in myself that I wouldn't embarrass myself. I chose a song. I did my song selection a little bit better this time. And if I can find that footage, I'll insert it somewhere. I'll play it for you guys to hear. Yes.
When they see me, they just keep on talking. Me no see them, I just keep on walking. I'm not my bride. Me now go show up in my side. Somebody see me and ask me to show me. Tell me that I'm gonna be lower. Oh, Lord, not bad. I ain't no survive. Never gonna get you down. Never let me see you proud. Never let me take you away. Let me see you leave.
every now and then I will sing a little something on my phone and then post it on my status, WhatsApp status, to I guess hurt people's ears.
It's my home in a hopeless. Pull me out the train, unworthy ashes, unchained the reactions. No, not ready to die, not yet. Pull me out the train.
Yeah, but yeah, so that is my embarrassing moment from grade 7. You really embarrassing, man. Me look back now and like when we watch a video them, me will laugh. I am fine if people laugh at it now, I guess. Yeah, me fine if them laugh at it now because I am laughing as well. Me find it funny, so it can be found funny too. It is embarrassing then, but I'm okay with it now because I know I have grown from that. So yeah, so when you can laugh, but don't laugh in the comments then please and thank you. Yeah, we don't have to turn off the comments then by the way. Gonna be positive down there. If you're not gonna laugh with positivity please and thanks. Not be negative down there. And yeah, so but at the time it did hurt when people laugh, but no. It don't really hurt. I kind of don't really care, to be honest. I don't care if people laugh now. I don't really care. And I think the reason I don't care is because I've had better friends now. I mean, I have some friends that I stick to from then who are still my good friends. But I've had better friends now. I have learned to love myself because then I struggled with that. I struggled with self-love back then. I've learned to love myself. I've learned to appreciate myself. I have learned to have a little bit more confidence in myself and just not really caring much about what people want to say. So yeah, and I think taking pictures where I look a fool or making a fool of myself on videos, making a fool of myself while singing sometimes, and you know, posting it for some people who watch my WhatsApp status to see, it has helped me to gain my confidence because these are people who they see that and they still accept me as I am, and so seeing that, it has helped me to accept myself as I am as well, and to realize that some people, that's just how they are. Sometimes to just laugh at you or to want to tear you down or don't like you, but there are those real ones who are going to support you no matter what and accept you with your flaws and all. So, and I know my subscribers are some real ones because y'all are subscribed and y'all showing me love and all them something there, good stuff them, yeah. So yeah, so I really do love you guys for showing me the support that I have been getting over since I've started my channel. It really means a lot. And all those who follow me on Instagram as well and show me some support over there, it means a lot to me as well. So yeah, and no, I'm not saying that I'm the type that needs public validation. No, I'm just saying support and love is always appreciated and it is always good. That's all I'm saying. So this video longer than how many you want it to be already. So means I got ends the video right here. Boy, yeah. So I'm gonna end the video right here, guys, and thank you so much for watching. If you have reached the end of my video, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, it means a lot to me. Kisses out to you. How do I say it again? Is it besos? Is besos kisses in Spanish? Is that? I haven't spoken Spanish in a while or done anything Spanish related in a while. So, yeah. But, yeah. So, thank you. If you like this video, do a thumbs up. If you guys think that I have somewhat, no, I feel like I'm gonna set myself up when I ask a question here, or no. I feel like I'm gonna set myself up. But I'm gonna ask you either way. If you guys feel like I somewhat evolved from what I was then in my singing, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below as well. Yeah. And if some of you guys have those embarrassing moments that you can look back at and laugh right now, you have no problem with people knowing about it, comment it down below so that we can all just, because we're family and we can have a laughter and things. So yeah, as long as it's something that you laugh at as well, not something that you're still uncomfortable about, because we don't want to make a fun of you and you're not making fun of yourself. So yeah. So yes, that is it for my video. My hair dry so too. I really need to treat my hair, guys. I haven't treated it in a while. See it dry out? But yeah, so probably gonna treat it after I'm done. Oh, and speaking of hair, guys, I am starting up my hair growth business, starting with a hair growth oil. I'm also gonna have other oils as well selling, and curling custard and stuff like that. You know, them nice goodies there for your ear and things. Yes, and don't watch my ear and say my ear don't reach down on my foot and me I sell ear growth products, because anybody who didn't know me knows that my hair coming from all the way up here. Yes, my hair coming from here to here. Hold on. Let me see if I can stretch it too. Yes. So I know a little bit of what I'm talking about. And yes, my hair has been growing a lot lately. Faster lately, since I've been using specific products in my hair, natural products. So those are the things that will be in my oil, my hair growth oil. So you guys can go and buy it whenever I do launch. Maybe. So as I was saying, it might be launched by the time I say this video, no, it's not going to be launched as yet, but I will keep you guys updated. You can go and follow the page, the Instagram page. The link will be in the description below, and it's right here. The name is right here. You can go follow me on Instagram as well at @thereal_Deeja. Yes, I will be updating people who follow me on that as well. Yes. So yeah, and thank you guys for, as I said before, I feel like I said thanks a lot. I'm thinking I'm chatting enough. Jesus. But anyways, thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe during this pandemic. Peace.